This is 4 years on. Right now, things aren't blooming as much as I would think because it really hasn't been raining at all. I've had to water. But that fire bush on the left, the orange one, it is huge, bigger than it's ever been because it did not die back this winter. It's the first winter since it's been planted that it has not died back because it didn't get to freezing. And then I have some drift roses in front of that, some other roses over here in front of the birdhouse, and then some crepe myrtles. Most of these are crepe myrtles filling, and these are little ones, and they're only supposed to be 2 feet tall. There's a kitty cat. But these have grown to, right now they're about 4 feet tall, maybe 3.5, 4. But they've gotten bigger, and I cut these back like severely several months ago, and they're just starting to bloom. And this is a black diamond crepe myrtle. We're nearly finished putting the fencing up behind. There's silverthorns in the back, are the big round ones. And then I do have, this is my mutabolus, but it's not in bloom right now. But I do have, if you can see back here, a row of tailored junipers. There are 4 of them, and I'm hoping that would give some vertical accent to this area. So this has been in place for about 4 years, and I can show you some before pictures. It's really quite amazing. That bottle brush on the right grew from cuttings. I actually have, because of the pine bark that we put here, I have some pine trees starting to grow that are going to have to, at least this one's going to have to get relocated. There's one in the back, and that one I might let keep growing. I'm not quite sure. But you can see that this really is a huge privacy area. I have an oleander growing back here because the side does get a lot of sun. Here's the other volunteer pine tree that came up. And then I have 3 Washingtonias back here that will skyrocket up like telephone poles. I just had a telephone pole removed, and then I just added 3 more. And then I'm going to swing you around over here. You can see that this area here, we haven't finished the fence yet, but this is, I have 5 more panels to get. And you can see that this is the podicarpus on the right, then a Hollywood juniper, and 4 blue sky junipers that I planted, I think, 2 years ago, and then 3 Oakland hollies and another Hollywood juniper at the end. And this here is a viburnum, and then I have a beautyberry in the middle. And anyway, this is how everything's coming along. This actually, I think I grew from seed from the mama plant that wasn't doing well where I put it, and it is a Rose of Sharon. So I'm excited to see that come up. Some of these things are looking kind of straggly, and mostly I think it's because they either bloomed and are spent, past season, but I think mostly it's because there has been no rain. There was a decent enough amount of rain in the wintertime, but like the past few months, it really hasn't rained. Anyway, here's my sun garden, and it really is quite incredible. I would love to do another one of these somewhere, but not in the heat of summer. Thanks for watching.